That was awesome.
Holy Hey guys, welcome to Rotor Riot. Today we're gonna see if a drone can chase an arrow.
Missed.
How'd you miss the barn? It's huge.
Firefighters pull 8-foot boa constrictor from Claremont residence. There are not only venomous snakes out here, there are also boa constrictors.
Is he freaking out?
Yeah.
He'll be fine. He's from Texas. I can't believe he's scared of a little rattler.
Now we're not in the Everglades, to be fair, but like, we are in the boonies. One bite from rattlesnake is enough venom to kill 20 grown men.
20 men, one bite?
Yes.
How many Alexes do you think you could kill? Like 40 then? FPV?
Yeah.
Like, this is kind of a good spot to fly. Do you like rip it out here?
Yeah, it's actually the best.
Are you hanging out or are you just?
Yeah, I'm gonna hang
Okay,
for a
cool,
bit.
cool.
Yeah.
Hey, one of them's trying to scare the rattlesnakes.
Rattlesnakes?
Yeah. Should he be worried?
Yeah, tell him to be terrified.
Yeah. Have you ever seen one? Though?
I've never seen one. Yeah.
Could you tell him that you've only lost one friend? Sure, just one. All right, so I'm setting up everything on the Osmo Action. It's actually capable of up to 240 frames per second. I think that would make for the most killer shot if we had it filming in slow motion. But before we jump straight to that, I think we're gonna go with a 4K at 60 frames per second. The other thing we're gonna do is pop on an ND filter because it is a super bright day. With the ND filter, we'll get a nice blurry background so we'll be able to see the arrow crisply.
So the FPV setup I'm running in here is the DJI system with the Cadex Vista. It fits in a really tight, narrow frame. So we're starting to see the HD systems get even smaller. Now we're being able to put it in these compact machines, which go even faster, perform even better. If we're coming from racing, everything happens very, very fast. We're moving through 5x5 foot gates at 85, 90 miles an hour. So this is just a moving object in open air. How hard can it be, right?
There's no one I trust more to do the most difficult of shots. Do I think we'll be able to chase it? Hell yeah. Have you met the pilot?
Once we can figure out how fast this arrow is going to be going, if we can get that timed right, it'd probably take about 3-4 tries. Although knowing us at Rotor Riot, it's going to take us all day. So
we don't know exactly how fast these arrows are going to be flying. We're going to try and figure that out. We've got a radar gun here. That'll tell us what kind of speeds we're going to need to hit with the drones if we actually want to be able to chase these things. It says 57. That's pretty fast, dude. You think you can chase a 57 mile an hour target?
yes, I can.
263s, 261s, and a 57. Average is exactly 61.
So our 5-inch drones on 4-cell, 5-cell, and 6-cell go anywhere from about 60 to 80 miles per hour, sometimes a bit faster.
That was good.
80 miles an hour.
That was half throttle.
That was only half throttle?
Here, let me do a full throttle one.
103.
Gotta be at least 3 miles an hour off, right? Because we're not supposed to go over 100 miles an hour.
Oh, I mean,
a thing?
it's a thing. There's definitely a margin of error in this, so you're probably only going like 99.5 miles an hour, right?
I think so. I think he's
Yeah,
right.
probably only 99. This grass line is our threshold. You do not cross this threshold if someone else is holding the bow, and you don't draw the bow if anyone is across this threshold. Basically, the idea is arrows should only fire that way, and there should never be anyone that way if there's any potential for an arrow to be fired. So just trying to keep everything as safe as possible. Do you know where the throttle's gonna have to be to hold 60? Because I mean, we're pretty consistently 60 miles an hour on the arrow.
But I think at about 40% power is where I'm going to need to be. Alright, I'll tell you when. I'll just tell you when to go. Go. I can't even
I think I gotta release later.
Yeah, I can't even. Can I set this on high quality mode maybe, and that'll help me see better? Let me try
Well,
high.
you were way behind. I think I need to release it right when you get next to me. Because I don't think you're gonna catch up
Alright,
to
I'm
it.
in high quality mode. Please. Oh, I saw it. Yeah, you can't even see it. I was on it every single time. Between us, I don't think it's that cool. But
Let me try and go frame by frame. Let's see if we can even see this thing. Yeah.
I don't see it at all. I saw the arrow with my goggles.
I can't,
Way past the target.
I can't even see it. You want to just go to that grassy area instead?
Yeah, we can try the grassy area. Go. Go. Go for it.
All right, so we're still having trouble getting the arrow in frame. I think the biggest issue is timing. Alex is thinking that it's more of like a speed issue, so he increased the camera angle even more so that he can go faster.
So if I was chasing a very slow moving object, you lower the camera angle. The faster you have to fly, the more you have to tilt the drone forward. Because of that, we don't want our camera looking straight down at the ground. So we have to angle it up like this in order to be able to chase the moving object.
So he's got his higher camera angle, and we're also gonna try having me tell Sean when to fire so that adding a third person to the equation will somehow reduce error. Fire.
That's in frame for sure.
There we go. See, that's what I was saying. Sooner, I think.
The timing was good on
I think that's it. Fire. Now.
There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go.
That was a good one? Oh, there, now I can see it.
Yep.
It's going up. See, I think
More camera angle.
more camera angle. Holy crap, because it's going out of frame. That is an insane amount of angle. We're definitely gonna want that high frame rate too. We're gonna try some high frame rate now because it's just happening so fast. We've raised the frame rate up to 240. That's limiting our resolution to 1080, but with that high frame rate, it's gonna allow us to slow down the shot and get more out of it. We did have to compensate for the change in exposure though, because with that higher frame rate, you can't run the same shutter speed we were before. So now our shutter speed, I've locked it at 1/500th of a second, and I did have to go to a lighter ND. So now we're just at ND4. ISO is locked at 100. It should be the most beautiful shot ever. Yeah, we're just gonna go crazy. Just gonna go crazy while he's not looking. That's a lot.
That's the Sharpoo angle right
Let's
there.
just do
How much
it.
more did you give it?
Enough.
No, you.
Let's just try it.
All right, I'm ready. Is Drew ready?
I'm ready. Okay. Did you hit record on the camera, Alex?
Yeah. No.
No?
Landing.
Arrow is drawn. Now.
Way too late.
Now. Give it a little bit of art.
It can't. It's gonna be a juicy flick. You're gonna lose sight of it. It's
Go
one of
over
the.
top of it and then
Okay.
go around.
Go.
That was awesome.
Holy
Actually, might have been the best shot.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
That was the best shot.
Oh my god.
There it is. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
That was sick.
Okay.
That was pretty sick.
Wow.
You gotta do that again.
Holy crap. Okay, we gotta do that
There you
again, but
go.
we need this because I want to see him fire.
like-
You gotta not lose it. Just can you fly better?
It worked
the first time.
That's not how physics work. I said you're either going to get the launch and miss the rest of it, or you're going to miss the launch and get the rest of it. It's physically impossible
You can't
because the
get all
moment
of
you
it.
roll, you're going to look at the ground. That's my point. Because I was with the arrow.
Rack him up. Do it
Rack
again.
him up, rack him up, rack him up. Oh my god.
Whole time.
I got close to the ground. That was a good shot.
Yeah. Good job.
That was amazing.
I know. Why did you fly better the whole time? I just had to fly better. Alright, I think that's about as good as it's gonna get.
Good job. Good job. That was sick.
You know what? I'll admit, I was probably a pessimist beforehand. I didn't think it looked cool. I think it looks cooler than I thought.
I'll say after seeing Alex do it, I don't think I could do it. I was thinking I could do it if I had to, but Alex would have a better chance of pulling it off. Now that I've actually seen it happen and how many tries it took, I don't think there's too many people in the world that could even chase that. That's intense. It's like such a small target and it's moving so fast. I think we underestimated how difficult it would be, and I'm glad we brought Alex. Don't show him this clip. We're trying to keep him modest, right? The best dang drone pilot in the world.
Trying to be humble, and they're not helping.